You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word or this name, this expression, as well as how to say more interesting French expressions, including from ballet. So how do you say that one? Grand. Yes, the D is silent in French, so do not say grand, but rather Grand Jete. Grand Jete. In French, for reference, it is said as Grand Jete, Grand Jete. So in English, Grand Jete. And now you know. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Thanks for your support, and more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.